There's just no way an RV should be this big and somehow cost under $60,000, but yet they managed to do it. And it even has a massive bunk room inside. Let's go. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound. Firmly Unbound is my own independent company, and Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. If you want to see more about that, there will be a link down below in the description and comments of this video, as well as, wow, I'm getting way ahead of myself. Didn't even know what I was about to say. As well as a box up here in the corner of the screen that will take you to the Firmly Unbound YouTube channel, where you can learn more about what it means to live firmly unbound. And then all of the video content I will be making on there will be showing how I am striving to live a firmly unbound lifestyle and encourage you to do the same. So go check that out there. And then wow. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just can't talk this morning. And then there's going to be more stuff coming throughout the course of 2024 for Firmly Unbound. But the reason I can't talk is because it is early in the morning at the Dallas RV show, and I'm already on my third RV, so I'm just running around filming stuff like crazy for y'all. So if you appreciate my efforts, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you can catch all of the coolest RVs coming out for 2024. And gosh, in less than half a year, we're already going to be into 2025 models. So I will be obviously going all over the country to get those RVs for you, so make sure you subscribe. Now this here is a Forest River Wildcat 1. And this Wildcat 1 is a 39 QB. I think they do have the floor plan layout here, so you can see what that floor plan layout looks like right there. That is a massive bunk room with opposing slide outs in the bunk room. And is that a second full bathroom? It looks like it is. So 2 full baths, a bunk room, and you can see here, where's the specs? Right there. Unloaded, it is 11,630 pounds, has a 2,124 pound hitch weight, 8 feet wide, 60 gallon freshwater, 76 gallon black water, 114 gallons on the gray water. And the price on this thing is only $57,997. That is absurd. I want to come to the back real quick just so you can see there is a second entrance here into this full bathroom. So you have that full bathroom entrance there. And then as we go inside and out, let me know, do you think this is a great value for this RV? I mean, for the size, obviously, I don't think there's anything else out there you can find less expensive than this. Or also, do you think it might just be too inexpensive for what you may be looking for? So let's go inside and take a look at the inside first. When we walk inside here, pretty standard looking bunk room, living room layout, and pretty neutral on the color scheme. Definitely gives you the opportunity to add your own pops of color in here with the decor you may choose for your fifth wheel RV. And close the door behind us there so we can kind of get an idea with the door closed. A couple things I noticed, like the slide out boxes aren't super tall, which gives it a little bit more of a smaller feel. These look like they're about 6'4", 6'5" in height, but not terrible. I love the cushions that they do on this booth dinette, and you have the U-shaped booth dinette. It also has baskets down underneath here for storage that it will come with. You can see these cushions back here just have that nice kind of plush, homey look. And then you lift this up. These are wood backed on these. I can't really knock on it, but underneath here, there is a wood portion underneath the cushion for that support. And then underneath here, you can see the base of these booth dinettes in these Wildcat 1 products are cornhole boards. So you actually get a cornhole board as a part of this fifth wheel that you can take out of there and take outside, play some cornhole. Pretty dang cool idea that Wildcat 1 came up with. This right here, your dining table can collapse down and make this into a bed. You also have storage back underneath that part of the booth dinette. So these legs can come out, table will drop down, put the cushions on top to make that to a bed, but I doubt you would ever have to in this RV when you see the bunker room. Right here, looks like it is 2 recliners. Yeah, they're gonna have a pull strap here on the recliner portion. So 2 recliners there. That lays all the way flat as well. Wow, that goes down very far, so that is nice. Now, the only critique some people may have is if you really want a straight on viewing position to the TV, this does not exactly give you that, although I'm sure, yeah, it will swivel around. So, I mean, right here is not too bad. I could definitely live with that. If you sit in this seat, if you're leaning back, part of the TV's cut off, so that would be a little annoying. I'm not gonna lie about that. But you know, you're camping in an RV. How much TV should you be watching? But I don't know. Then again, maybe you might be looking to live in something like this. So y'all let me know what your thoughts are on an RV like this. You have a Furrion fireplace here. This will be a nice electric heat source for you as well. And then no slide out or no carpet in the slide out. So it has that same matched flooring material here for your slide out. Now, if I do lift this up, I'm sure it's exposed wood underneath here. Yeah, you just have exposed wood underneath your slide out flooring there. Some brands do wrap the subflooring underneath that slide out there, but not in this one. Here you're going to have storage space up through there. You can see these are glass doors on that, and then out through there. Again, price point things like you see exposed hinges here. More expensive RVs will have hidden hinges on them. Little things like that. Also with your like cabinetry and whatnot, it looks like this is a pressed wood that is wrapped for all your cabinetry. So it's not a solid hardwood, which would make sense in this price point here. And then you can see your storage space back through there. Just, yeah, okay, yeah, I can tell by kind of where the screws are that it's a pressed wood that is wrapped for the look there. Countertop material, again, this is also like a wrapped countertop material, not a solid surface countertop. And then you have a black plastic sink with the faucet there. No storage on this side. You have a little hook right here, and then storage underneath the sink there that goes all the way back. Drawer that opens up. Standard RV drawer construction on that, but it does have soft closed drawers. That's a surprise. That's pretty nice. You have a standard RV size oven, so nothing too crazy. And a 3-burner stove here. You have a Furrion microwave and then a little wine rack area here. Plus, it looks like you could definitely store some things up above the cabinetry there as well. So their whole intent with this is really just to give you a base model RV that gives you everything you need to go out and camp, but not break the bank. You know, trying to get back to the basics really with RVing. Black pleated shades on all your windows here. You do have a campside window right there as well. And then you have your refrigerator back through here. This is nice. I think every RV should come with some sort of step stool. So you do have a step stool down underneath there. And you have a nice big 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. Storage space up above here. And pantry space through here. Now, when we go back to the bunk room, it has opposing slide outs in this bunk room. So you can already tell how big this space is going to be. And it has a Murphy bed in here as well. So there is so much sleeping space in this bunk room. You can see right here, this can make it to a sofa. So if you want to have a sofa set up in here, go like that. And now you have a sofa right there. So a spot to hang out. The floor space in here, again, is just second to none. It is huge. You have an additional sliding mattress here that will slide out. You do have carpet in this slide as well. So another mattress that can go on the floor right there. And then that can just slide up underneath this bed when you're done. You have 2 more bunks here. These bunks, let's see how long they are. Usually rated for about 300 pounds or so. They are about 6 feet long. So me being 6'2", I would have to bend my knees a little bit, but not terrible though. And then this one here does not flip up. It just stays set in place. Window there. And then again, you have your Murphy bed. Look at all this storage too. Plus, you got room to add storage in here as well. Obviously, not maybe with the slide outs in. When you move the slide outs in, it's going to condense the space to a smaller hallway through here. So that's something to keep in mind. Let's see. Let's get this laid down. Get this into a Murphy bed setup. It's always fun to do this with one hand and just see how, if I'm able to do it or how challenging it may be. Do I need, okay, I need to push on it there. Come on, little, oh my goodness, this is so much more difficult than it needs to be. Oh Lord. This is so annoying. This is why, see, okay. I've got a lot of comments on videos in the past like, oh, why don't you put things down or show things in the down position? Because I'm here to show and I'm trying to show you things as quick as I can so I can show you as many things as possible. And then just little annoyances like this happen that are just like, come on now. So I'm going to set the camera up right here. Now I have to put the camera down and I have to get this up. But I'm just going to leave it recording so you can see how this drops down. Who knows how difficult this is going to be? Oh my gosh. Need like a tool to do this. Okay. Well, I'm giving up. Unfortunately, I don't have any other tool to try to break that free. And that thing is just stuck in there. So we're not going to get to see it. But it's going to be about a queen size Murphy bed, it looks like, when that drops down. So that'll give you a queen size bed in here. And it's probably going to drop down to about right here or so. So it won't even, I mean, you'll still have tons of floor space when that bed is down. You do have an AC up in this area as well. You can see you do have a ducted AC. So it is ducted throughout here. Now it's just a straight line ducting. So you can see there's not a whole lot of AC ducting vents. So there's a vent here, a vent there, and then this will also drop down here as well. You can just dump it into this area, and then one vent here in this space. But I think it might be best just to have it dumped down into the areas that the ACs are in. So something to consider. Here in the bathroom, have nice shower height here. See the skylight there, and this is going to fit just about any human on earth. Yeah, you could be 7 feet and fit in this shower for sure. Shower head sits just slightly below my eyes, or right at about my eye level actually. So would have to duck just a little bit to get underneath it, but nothing too crazy. It is a plastic 2-piece shower. Quite a bit of a step up into that shower so they can run the heat ducting underneath it. You have your sink here, nice big mirror, shower curtain. Obviously have your AC ducted back into this area as well. And there's a vent fan up above my head. It's just a 4-inch vent fan. And your exit out of the RV or entry into the RV, some hooks to hang some towels, and a plastic foot flush toilet there, plus a sliding privacy door. So that is everything in your bedroom or bunk room and bathroom. Also, you can see you have a spot here where you could hook up a TV if you would like. You have outlets down in this corner, and outlets down in that corner, and outlets in this corner. No USB ports though, just outlets. Then as we go up into the main bedroom and bathroom, you see your steps going up to this space. You have spots there where you can put shoes underneath there or store things underneath there. All of your controls for the RV, and then it also looks like it has a tankless on-demand water heater. You do have a railing coming up the step, so that railing will help you get up the step. Now this door opens up into the hallway, so you actually have to kind of sidestep the door, then come into the bathroom. So that's going to give you more of a direct access from the bedroom. Plastic foot flush toilet in here again, and then your shower here. It doesn't have as much of a lip going up into the space, and because the ceiling height in here is probably about 6'5", 6'6", you step in here and you also have height for about, gosh, probably like 6'7", 6'8", with the skylight in the shower. Shower head sits almost at the peak of my forehead, so not too bad. Still would have to duck just a little bit, but not too terribly much. And then it has this kind of flexible shower curtain material there. Again, a couple spots to hang some towels. You have a 4-inch vent fan in here and medicine cabinet storage with a nice big mirror there. Your sink has a little bit of countertop space, not terrible. And then just open storage up underneath or down underneath the sink. I don't know why I said up underneath the sink. Down underneath the sink. Going into the bedroom, you have an east to west facing queen bed. That looks like a queen, I think. It's always hard for me to tell bed sizes, but I think that looks like a queen, if I'm guessing right. Maybe the floor plan layout will let us know when we stepped in the RV. Spot here for washer and dryer. If you want to do washer and dryer, it can go there, which is nice because that maintains your other closet space, or you just have this storage space with a clothing rod there. And then you have your closet here with lots of space there to hang clothes. You have some shelving back in here, and you have this shelving all in there. So I like how that doesn't look like it was just an afterthought. They actually built some construction into that. That is pretty great, especially at this price point. Shallow storage up underneath the bed, but there is some storage underneath there nonetheless. And then you have some drawers here for your wardrobe storage as well. And these are also soft close. And there's a third AC on this RV, so 3 ACs in total, which is also great. Spot to mount a TV on the wall if you want to mount a TV, and you have a window here as well. Outlet here on this side of the bed. Let's see if there's outlets down underneath here. I don't see any, so it looks like it was just that outlet there and outlets up on the wall, but those will be used for the washer and dryer. And then on this side, is there an outlet over here? Did they forget the outlets for y'all? Oh no. I don't see any outlet over here. Is it behind the door? How'd they forget the outlet for the person on this side of the bed? Let's see. You have this little bungee cord here that keeps that closed. Oh, there it is. Outlets and USB ports there, but when you have the closet open, it will block that. So, okay, that's good. I was like, they never forget to put outlets around the bed. So you do have them there. And all right, that's just about everything on the inside. So let me know what you think so far, and then let's go take a look at the outside. Let's see, as we step out here, it is a king bed. Okay, so it says king bed up on the literature here for the floor plan. So you come back up front, it is going to have a molded fiberglass one-piece cap. So nice one-piece cap up front here. It's gonna have a standard pin box, I would imagine. Yeah, Rhino pin box, so no additional like support or anything there, or shock absorption. Pretty standard thin baggage doors here with metal latches. And then you have spare tire down underneath here. Nice big storage space. I love how it's open into that area there. And then you're going to have an electric stabilizer system here. I don't even think it's auto leveling. It's just electric stabilizers. And there's only 4 stabilizers on this RV. So 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Whereas most fifth wheels this size will typically have 6. Water connections all through here, and your battery disconnect switch, as well as your battery down in this portion. Plus has your extend and retract for your leveling legs, or your stabilizer legs, not leveling legs, my bad. Slide out here, and you know, I actually don't know what the slide mechanism is on this slide out here. If you know what the slide out mechanism is on here, let me know, because it's not a Schwinteg, it's not a cable driven slide, and it's not a rack and pinion style slide. So if you do know what it is, let me know. Looks like, are they running the same thing? Okay, this is using like a rack and pinion style slide out underneath here. So I just don't know what that smaller slide is. Tankless water heater there, and your storage space through here. Pretty dang nice. I mean, it is a big storage space, so that's great. Aluminum framing, it is welded on both sides of the frame, so that is good as well. And your subflooring is wrapped and protected up underneath here and not exposed. So not too bad. I mean, there's some things that I've definitely seen other brands that are more expensive where they shortcut things that even this one isn't. So pretty impressive. You do have a Trailer King tire, so just a standard, you know, RV tire, nothing special about it. Standard RV suspension, although it does look like it has some additional shackle supports there for that suspension system. And then you're going to have black and gray tank dump valves here and black and gray tank dump valves there because of having the 2 full bathrooms set up. Come along to the back, 50 amp power supply in the back corner, prep to add a backup camera, and you do have the spot there for the Lippert ladder. So no way to get up onto the roof right now. I don't know that it has solar up there, but I would imagine probably not at this price point. So that's also something to consider. But that is everything on this Wildcat 1. It does have a fully enclosed underbelly as well. So underbelly's fully enclosed. All your water tanks and water lines will be protected from the elements and will stay warm when your furnace is on. And then you have a spot here for a bottle opener and outlets, and a spot to hook up a TV outside if you want that as well. So let me know what you think. Do you think this is worth the price that it's at? And is this something that you could see yourself camping or even living in? Let me know down below in the comments. That's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.